Menteri Badai Pek Tanat Forest per Environment ke Sarkar Jilla James Kies Sang Ma Ulaong. Baka Sarkar Jilla kala Aibor hagi Deputy Commissioner Ban Khang Dam yaki karkhana saiñ dewïong ki bateri kam beaiñ. Yakaniu Menteri ula jubab halor ke jingkeli kilat pathai kubor halor ke jingdon ki karkhana saiñ dewïong ki bateri kam beaiñ hakal leng ke Jilla. Ulaong ru baka Sarkar Jilla kadang ap yaka kaipot halor ke jing penjakliya Mariang dakini ki karkhana saiñ dewïong.
Well, I don't have the facts and figures with me, but as I said, as and when we come across any coke plants which may be operating illegally, the Deputy Commissioner is tasked to shut them down immediately. No, we have, constituted a committee, an expert committee to look at the pollution load in those areas. I think that committee has not yet, if I'm not wrong, has not yet submitted its report, but we are awaiting that report. So to jump to any conclusion, I think that any kind of how much pollution there is must be based on scientific facts, on scientific methods whereby those can be ascertained, and we are waiting for that, so that when the committee gives us that report, we will be able to shed more light and also look at how we need to take further steps.